Hello and welcome to this DJI tutorial video. This video will show you how to update the firmware for your Matrice 200 series aircraft. There are two ways to update the firmware. Updating with DJI Go 4. It is recommended to fully charge the aircraft's battery and remove the propellers before the update. Power on the aircraft. Open the port cover at the rear of the aircraft. Toggle the USB mode switch to the right and connect your mobile device to the aircraft with a USB cable. After your mobile device is connected, a firmware update notification will be displayed in the app. Tap Update Now. When downloading is complete, it will start updating. The aircraft will beep and the app will display the update's progress. Once updated, the aircraft will automatically restart. If multiple batteries or the gimbal and camera need to be updated, please mount them to the aircraft separately and perform the update again. Updating with DJI Assistant 2. Power on the aircraft. Open the port cover at the rear of the aircraft, toggle the USB mode switch to the left. Connect the aircraft to your PC or Mac with the dual USB cable. Launch DJI Assistant 2. Enter your account and password to log in. Click the IM200 series icon to enter the home screen. Enter the firmware update screen. Select the newest firmware version and click Update. When downloading is complete, the firmware will automatically start to update. Once updated, the aircraft will automatically restart. If the update fails, try updating again. If the update fails repeatedly, please contact DJI support. Thank you for watching.